How to grow and care for spider plant, one of the air purification and permanent plant in your garden. Once you bring it from a nursery, it will remain in your garden forever, but you will have to take care of this particular plant in this way. So today in this video you will see the caring tips how to grow this beautiful plant of spider plant. These are my plants collection, which are in bigger ample pots, medium sized pots, DIY planters, and some are in clay pots. So I have about hundreds of plants of spider plants which I have multiplied from one plant. Some plants I have kept indoors, some I have grew in these coffee jars, small pots, and some are in small planters. When you bring a plant from a nursery, the most important thing is the location. So where to keep this plant? So the first thing to understand is these plants are beautiful indoor plants which prefers the partial or the shady sunlight. These plants are not for the bright direct sunlight. So keep this in a location where it gets the partial sunlight, because these plants can tolerate up to medium sunlight. Place it in a location where it gets the medium to partial sunlight. When talking about the soil preparation, these plants need the well-draining soil, and see to the always drainage holes. There should be drainage holes in your planters. So do not overwater these plants. These plants will get easily damaged by overwatering. So during the rainy season, you'll have to shift it in a place where it doesn't get caught to too much of rainwater as well. So when preparing soil mixture, be mindful to add some sand, garden soil, and compost. So these plants also prefers the humidity high levels, so keep the plants fresh and hydrated, giving it a mist spray in the morning. Always check the soil level and water these plants, but during the hot summers you can give water in the morning and check the soil, and even in the afternoon you can water these plants. These plants are beautiful indoor plants. You can always give it a mist spray in the morning. As I said earlier, use a container of water to give them a mist spray. And if you are using tap water, you can keep the spray bottle filled in the night so that the chlorine of the bottle will be disappeared in the morning. So likewise, you can give it a mist spray in the morning, and it is a great shower for the plant. With the plant maturity, they produce baby rats and baby spiders, so you can multiply these plants, especially in water. You can easily propagate them in water and in soil both, but first put them in water to root. After that you can transfer them to soil. So these are the spider rats which produced by the spider plants, so you can multiply them easily and make a spider plant garden in your home garden. Add this beautiful plant in your indoor plants collection. So when you keep these plants indoors, they also would love for a change in outdoors as well. So keep the plant outdoors once in a while to breathe fresh air. So plants will need that and will definitely love that feeling. So take these plants outdoors if you have kept them indoors. So that is the only way of keeping this plant healthy. Do not keep the plant indoors a long time. As you can see, my coffee mug planters also, these are spider plants in coffee mugs. So you can grow them in small pots and small planters, but you will have to transfer them to ample pots with time. When the plants grow bigger and when they need some space to grow, you will have to transfer them to bigger ample pots. When talking about fertilizer for these plants, you can use any house plant fertilizer for these plants, like tea or coffee, or even vegetable fertilizer. You can use banana peel fertilizer as well, since they are organic and homemade. And also spider plants are easily root rotted by overwatering, so you have to be mindful not to overwater these plants, because if you have kept indoors, you can use the spray bottle, and root watering will be enough after every third day. If you have kept them outdoors, once in the morning watering will be enough. So be mindful not to overwater these plants. They are easily damaged by root rotting because of overwatering. So these are the tips to follow. And one more thing, so if you see the brown tips problem, see that the watering condition and also over fertilizing. So there are other videos which I have uploaded about growing this beautiful plant. I hope today's video is very useful to you. So happy gardening, friends. If you have questions, comment below, and if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos of gardening. Thanks for watching.